Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize dropshipping with Redbubble, full guide step by step clearly. To optimize your dropshipping business with Redbubble, start by creating a Redbubble account. Fill in all required information to set up your profile. Choose a unique and relevant username that reflects your brand. Next, explore the Redbubble marketplace to understand current trends and popular products. Research niche markets that align with your interests and design skills. Use tools like Google Trends and social media to identify what designs are in demand. Once you have your niche, begin brainstorming design ideas. Utilize graphic design software or online platforms like Canva to create your artwork. Ensure your designs are high quality and meet Redbubble's guidelines. Upload your designs to your Redbubble account. As you upload, select the appropriate products for each design. Pay attention to product offerings such as t-shirts, wall art, and accessories. Optimize your product titles by including relevant keywords that potential customers might search for. Write compelling product descriptions that highlight the features and benefits of your designs. Use tags effectively by adding relevant keywords to enhance search visibility. Launch a marketing strategy to promote your Redbubble store. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your products. Engage with your audience by sharing behind-the-scenes content and design processes. Consider running targeted ads to reach a broader audience. Monitor your sales and analyze which products perform best. Adjust your strategies based on what data shows about customer preferences. Continuously update your store with new designs to keep your offerings fresh. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to expand your reach. Participate in Redbubble's community features, like forums and groups. Regularly seek feedback from customers to improve your designs and offerings. Stay updated on Redbubble's platform changes and new features. Consistently evaluate your marketing efforts and adjust as necessary. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your dropshipping experience with Redbubble. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.